world did not connect overnight. History moves slow, but linked us tight. Trade and travel shaped each land. This global story was always planned. The world got closer step by step. Trade and travel interconnect. Ideas move and borders blur. A global world began to stir. Globalization is not brand new. It started long before me and you. People moved in search of work. Traders carry skills and perks. Priests and pilgrims crossed the land. Ideas spread from hand to hand. Goods and values shared their flow. Even germs began to grow. The world got closer step by step. Trade and travel interconnect. Ideas move and borders blur. A global world began to stir. Indus Valley traded wide. West Asia stood right by its side. Cowries traveled coast to shore. China and Africa wanted more. Silk routes linked the world so far. Asia, Europe, North Africa. Chinese silk and pottery. Indian spices crossed the sea. The world got closer step by step. Trade and travel interconnect. Ideas move and borders blur. A global world began to stir. Food traveled to across the seas. Spaghetti links with noodles please. Potato, maize and chili heat changed how Europe learned to eat. Christopher Columbus crossed by chance. America changed trade and plans. Trade, culture, faith all intertwined. Beyond the notes, the world alive. Got closer step by step. Trade and travel interconnect. Ideas move and borders blur. A global world began to stir. The world got closer step by step. Trade and travel interconnect. Ideas move and borders blur. A global world began to stir. Europe sailed new ocean ways. Indian Ocean saw busy days. Silver flowed from Peru land. Conquest spread disease. Smallpox brought communities to knees. China stepped back, trade moved west. Europe rose above the